Freelancing is not just a career, but a lifestyle choice that offers freedom, flexibility, and the opportunity to craft one destiny. Remember, हर freelancer की journey काफी अलग होती है, but the obstacle faced are often universal. Namaste, it's Amit. I'm 22-year-old product designer and video editor who had been in this field for 5 years now, generating 6 figures through my services. Also, this has helped me live my dream laptop life where I just choose myself to work from anywhere. I had partnered up with big agencies, YouTubers, startups. All this while I made a team, a network with lot of creative freelancers. हर freelancer और agency owner का एक question common, how to get freelance clients. So before you get clients, so you have to make your own portfolio. So अगर portfolio की बात की जाए, I have seen lot of क्रिएटिव प्रोफेशनल्स जो आज भी गूगल ड्राइव लिंक भेज जब उनको कोई पोर्टफोलियो मांगता है. आप ही बताओ, अगर आप क्लाइंट हो, आप एक एक गूगल ड्राइव लिंक को जाकर खोल कर देखोगे क्या कि किस में क्या है? यू विल नॉट वेस्ट योर टाइम लाइक दैट, राइट? देयर विल बी हाई चांसेस दैट आपका क्लाइंट आपकी पोटेंशियल जान ही ना पाए. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ नो कोड टूल्स अवेलेबल इन द मार्केट. विथ हेल्प ऑफ देम यू कैन मेक योर पोर्टफोलियो. Tools like Framer, Webflow, or Wix, where you can easily set up your portfolio page and send it to your prospects. If you want, मैं एक Framer पे video बनाऊँ, like all the basics and एक walkthrough of the Framer and how you can easily make your own portfolio even if you are a beginner. So just comment Framer so that I can know कि आपको Framer की ज़रूरत है and I'll make one series of it. अब portfolio तो बना लिया. The main question arises how to get clients. Today I will share you 8 techniques through which if you use that, if you implement that, you can get your first client in just 7 days, guaranteed. So if you are starting, what you can do cold DM and cold mailing or cold calling. So cold DM किनको करना है? Before cold DMing, you have to know one thing. Customer avatar is a persona set for your ideal customer. You can't sell your services to everyone. आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आपके आइडियल कस्टमर्स कौन है और कहाँ हैं. इट इज सेड बाय एलेक्स हॉर्मोजी, if you want to be rich, you have to solve rich people problems. That means you need to find out where these people are. They're not scrolling reels like you do every day. Now let's suppose our customer avatar is a fitness coach. You can find them in LinkedIn, Facebook groups or Twitter. Number 2 is Discord. अगर आपको क्लाइंट्स चाहिए, यू हैव टू बी देयर इन द राइट प्लेस इन द राइट टाइम. यू शुड बी देयर इन डिफरेंट कम्युनिटीज, डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स एंड सर्वर्स. यहाँ आपको उनके जॉब ऑफर सेक्शन में हर रोल के लिए लोग हायर करते हुए दिखेंगे. यू कैन रीच आउट टू देम, पिच एंड क्लोज देम. नाउ हियर आर द सम ऑफ द डिस्कॉर्ड सर्वर्स यू नीड टू बी देयर इफ you are a freelancer. I made a list of Discord servers where hundreds of people post work-related stuffs daily. Number 3 is YouTube Jobs. This amazing platform will get you several content clients. यहाँ बड़े से बड़े creators job roles ढूंढते हैं like content producer, script writer, video editor. Here you just have to open your profile, post some of your best works and start applying. बस आपको इतना ही करना है. Number 4 is Facebook groups. हर freelancer ये तो जानता है कि चलो Facebook groups में जाना है. There will be groups where you can, people will be posting कि हमें video editor चाहिए, graphic designer चाहिए, but that's not how it is done, my friend. Let's suppose I need a real estate client. If मेरे को real estate client चाहिए, I'll go to a real estate clients group and find those people there. I'll show you my secret sauce. मैं क्या करता हूँ? I reach out to them and I tell them that I will make a website of completely free of cost and I upsell them with my content marketing services. Number 5 is LinkedIn and Twitter. There is a section where you can search like video editor and there will be lot of video editor job role which are open, you can see there. But nahi, what you can do is like you can go to search bar of LinkedIn and you can search looking for video editor, looking for designer, looking for a graphic designer, looking for a software developer. So anything, any job role you are into, you can just search there. And sometimes what happens is HR वो लोग पोस्ट के माध्यम से वो शेयर करते हैं. सो when someone will search it, आपको वो उनके सारे पोस्ट दिखा देंगे. But there is a catch. You need to go to short section and you need to choose like top post, latest and the posts that are done in 24 hours. What it will do is आपको जितने नए freelance opportunities है, rather it's in Twitter or in LinkedIn, you just need to search it and you will get all of them. Number 6 is personal brands. Now, what do you think? Why freelancer need a personal brand? Yes, you are right. Because you need to build your authority and you need to build and share your work so that any client who come to your page, your work, they will directly come to you. When you have a personal brand, you have a distribution on behalf of your name and which you can leverage in your terms. If you are a freelancer, making and building your personal brand is must in 2024. Number 7, use platforms like Contra. Fiverr, Upwork are overrated. I never used Fiverr or Upwork to get clients. अब तो ऐसा हो गया कि Fiverr और Upwork यूज़ नहीं किया तो आप एक फ्रीलांसर नहीं हो, आपने कभी सर्विस बिजनेस में घुसे ही नहीं हो. ऐसा नहीं है मेरे भाई. Contra is a platform for freelancers, a marketplace with $30 million projects. You can keep 100% of what you earn with zero commission fees. Go and dive into these platforms which are new and have plenty of people with opportunities hanging out daily. Number 8 is referrals. Do you know how I end up closing 5 more clients with the help of word of mouth? So as its name, it's very simple. When after working with a client, I tell them to give me a video testimonial. Implemented an offer where I told if you get me a client, I will do 15% discount from the services that I give to you. So also by human nature, when we get a discount, उनको भी अच्छा लगा. They will go and talk about you in their network and you can get your next client only through word of mouth. If you're watching this video till now, that means you really want to put in the work and make this happen. अगर आप इन चीज़ों को implement नहीं करोगे और इंटरनेट में 100 वीडियोस देखोगे, nothing gonna happen. You need to implement these things. I read it somewhere that nothing is better than this skill. That skill is executing. हम बस वीडियोस देखते हैं and we don't even execute that what we think. So just execute. Whatever techniques I told you till now, just execute those things. I told you I'll share 8 techniques, but this one is a bonus one. Number 9 is Meta Ad Library. This will help you even get more clients, even stay updated with the UGC content and ads that are currently doing well in this market. Facebook Ad Library mein, you can search for the niche you want to work with. Let's suppose you want to work with clinics. So you will type clinics there. And lot of people, lot of businesses who are running ads on their clinics, you can see those ads and you will get the details of those businesses. If you can do that, check their website. You can get their details from their website. And if you think you can help them with your services, just shoot them a DM. I hope you got some value. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. This will motivate me to make more videos like this. I'm gonna deep dive into how you can leap on creative field where things are changing very fast.